what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a super fun video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my pink Christmas collection. This will not be my second Christmas living on my own in my apartment, and I am a very girly girl and I just love all things pink and feminine. It's my favorite color and I just love decorating my apartment. It's decorated with pink things all year round. I have so much pink in my apartment, but for Christmas time, especially last year, I kind of went crazy and I got everything pink Christmas you could possibly imagine, and now every time I see something pink Christmas I just have to buy it. So I've kind of accumulated quite a collection, and I thought that it'd be fun to show you guys everything because there's some really cute pink Christmas things that if you guys also have the same theme for your apartment or your house or your room, that you can kind of I'll try to leave links below and hopefully you guys can get some inspiration and find some really cool items that you can add to your collection. A lot of this stuff I got last year, so I don't remember exactly where everything's from, but I will kind of give you a sense of where things could be from. Like these I got online and I thought they were mini little ornaments because on top they have like these little like attachments, and so I was like, oh, they're cute little lollipops, and they came and they were huge, obviously. So these I'm pretty sure were from Michael's or At Home. Oh, I should light the Christmas tree. Actually, you can't really tell, but there it is. Yeah, let's get into it. So my first thing is probably my favorite thing I recently picked up. It is this pink Santa cookie jar. Like, tell me this isn't the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. I'm obsessed. This is from the At Home store. They don't have one local to me, so I had to drive a couple hours, and they had a whole aisle full of pink Christmas. So this was definitely my favorite purchase. Like, I'm so excited. I'll have this for the rest of my life. And right now, since I am just a solo bachelorette living in my pink palace, is what I call my apartment, I have everything pink. But eventually, my idea is that all this pink stuff will go into my, like if I have little girls, hopefully, then I can put this Christmas stuff in their bedrooms and they can have their own bedrooms decorated with girly pink Christmas things, and then my house will be more traditional Christmas so that my husband and sons can kind of just, you know, not be bombarded by the pink. I also picked up this from At Home. If you guys don't have an At Home store, they also have them online, but everything is super cheap. Like, this was only $6. This was $24. I would have paid $200 for this, not even kidding. Like, it is so amazing. This is still wrapped up since I just got it, but this was only $9, and it's just a little 25 days till Christmas, or it's a countdown, so you can start. Honestly, I could put this out now and just kind of do it. I think there's 52 days, so I just have to split that. But yeah, look how cute that is. I need some more shelves. I might buy a shelf just for all my Christmas stuff. This is also from At Home. This was $6.99, and obviously it's a part of the little Mrs. Claus set, which, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. My like coffee maker's pink, so everything in the kitchen would be like perfect for that. This was also a recent purchase. I just thought it was cute. It's not as like pink and in your face, it's just kind of subtly pink and just very girly. I thought that's so cute. This I got from a local Christmas boutique I think last year, and I just think it's so cute. It's like a little gnome. I'm not obsessed with the whole gnome thing, but this one I just had to get. I'm sure you can find this anywhere. The store I got it from is called the Decor store, so I don't know if they have that everywhere, but it's just like a local place that I went to, and maybe they have it online. But yeah, I just thought that this was so cute. That's actually also where my white Christmas tree is from. I think I also got this from the At Home store or maybe Target, but it's just a little white snowflake pillow, and I just think that this is good to kind of balance out the pink, having a mix of pink and white things. And I just love a little festive pillow because year round I have these little flower pink and white pillows, so I think that I'm just gonna replace it for the Christmas season with this. Don't ask me why, but I accidentally bought two pink and white Santas. I don't know if these were definitely from different stores because I don't know, I guess I was just in the mood, and I bought these both this year, probably within the same week, so maybe I just forgot, and then when one arrived at my door I was like, oh shoot, I already have one. But yeah, I have two of these Santas. They're a little bit different, as you guys can see, but they were about like $20–30 each, and I just think these are so cute. Kind of, I don't know if I'll put them together. I might put them in separate areas just because they're so similar. Oh yeah, this one was $50. I definitely could have returned this and saved some money because I already have this guy, but they're really cute. They're definitely a little different, and I don't know, I just thought it fit the theme so well. Oh, I also thought it'd be cute to put this little sparkly Christmas box like next to them. I think this is how it was set up in the store, so that's why I bought them. I have the biggest collection of pink ornaments, which I think I'll save for last. Like, I have so many decorative ones, and I want to kind of go through each and every one of them to show you guys how cute they are, but there's just so many, so I'm gonna wait till the very end. Like, I have bags full of ornaments. I can show you these. So these are for my tree. They're just like little picks. I have a Halloween tree during October, and I have little like pumpkin picks, and I love these. They're just so easy to stick in the tree, and they just add a little vavoom, kind of just block little gaps in your tree. If this is just a big hack, if you guys don't have little picks, definitely get some picks. These ones, just these little like pink sparkly holly. Oh, and those are from Michael's. These are my favorite little guys ever. They are pink sparkly nutcrackers. This one's little mouth broke. Are these not the cutest things ever? Ah, I'm obsessed with them. They go right beside my TV together, and they're just, oh my god, so cute. Just a moment for the nutcrackers. I'm not really sure where this is from, but I thought I'd show it in my little collection. It's just like a little vintage tin pink truck with Christmas lights and little Christmas foliage in the back. I of course have a couple stockings. These are just furry little ones. This one I got from one of my friends in high school, and it just matches the theme so well. I would like ideally to have like a set of the same stockings, but right now I just have these two ones that don't really match, and I don't even have a place to put my stockings, so they kind of just go on little doors throughout my apartment. Having like a set of these when I have a family would be really cute with like their initials on it. I also have a little pink Santa hat. I should be wearing this. What am I doing? Is that the vibe, or do I look crazy? This is actually used as my tree topper because I don't have an angel to put on top of my tree, and it kind of goes up to the very ceiling, so I don't have a lot of space, so I like to put my little pink Santa hat on it. I have a couple of these sparkly deers. These are just really cute and festive for the winter season. I'm not really sure where these are from, but I'm sure every Christmas decoration store has ones like this. This one actually might be from Target because it's definitely lighter. Another little sparkly deer. This one's so cute. It has a little bell. I want to say I got this from Michael's or like TJ Maxx. I also have some of these little pink frosted snow Christmas trees. These you can get pretty much anywhere. I feel like these were probably from Target, just somewhere really basic. This is my fluffy pink tree skirt. It's just so perfect. When I found it, I was like, oh my gosh, yay. It's from Dolls Kill. I'm pretty sure they always have like a really girly feminine Christmas section on there, so if you guys want to check out that website as well. It's just perfect for under the tree. Like I couldn't find anything more perfect. Yes, I've done all my Christmas shopping already, and I think it's just gonna look so cute with like all my presents. I have all my presents wrapped in this little pink and white ribbon with white wrapping paper because I thought that'll like look so good under the tree. I also have just a collection of this sparkly pink, it's not ribbon, it's this tulle, I don't know, but I like to just bunch it up and kind of put it in sections under my tree like that, so it looks like a ribbon going around the tree. You can get this at any like arts and crafts store. I want to say I got this from like Joann's or Hobby Lobby. Oh, Hobby Lobby is a lot of this stuff actually is from Hobby Lobby. Next up, I have this little platform that I actually made. This was just wood, and I painted it white and put little sparkly white accents on the side so it would look like snow. And I have this amazing white, it's like white and silver little nativity scene. So I have all the little characters. When I was younger, my favorite part about Christmas decorating was to get out the nativity sets and just play with them. And so when I have kids, I can't wait for them to play. I just always talk about like, or always like, I don't know, play with them like little action figures. Be like, oh, I think this is going on. Oh, baby Jesus is about to be born, and have them talk to each other and stuff. So I have all the characters on this one little platform, and I put little snow around them. So it's super cute. These guys I also got from my local decor store. I also have this little "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" sparkly white sign. This just looks good next to like the little sparkly deer or around the nativity set. I just think it's really cute, and it's probably really cheap. I think it was just from like Target. Anything like white and sparkly really just like fits the vibes. So now it's time to delve into my huge ornament collection. I have a million. So I got these from At Home. Look how cute. These are like sparkly pink and white little lollipops. And I got these little candy ones. I got these from my most recent At Home haul. You can probably make these, honestly, if you just get some styrofoam and glitter glue and sequins. You can probably have fun making your own. Got this giant cupcake one. I have a bunch of these ones. They're just from the 99-cent store, honestly, and they just add the perfect effect to my tree. I think it's good to have an assortment of big ones, small ones, medium-sized ones. I just have a bunch of ordinary pink bulbs, but these ones don't have too much special stuff going on, so I'm just gonna show you guys that I have multiple bags of these. Like, I really just have so many random pink bulbs. I got these little clips that I thought would be cute for the tree. Just frosted little pink, what are these called? Oh my god, poinsettias. Little flower clips. These are just cute. Everything's cute. I also got these amazing little sparkly pink and white lollipops. I have so many lollipops on my tree, but that was just the theme this year. Like pink winter wonderland candyland. Pink winter candyland. That's the theme. I have a lot of little sparkly ones. These ones I have so many duplicates of, just to add some cohesive energy throughout the tree, but they're all just pink and sparkly and cute. I have a lot of little reindeer guys. These are some of my favorites. I have so many of these. I think I got these at Target, and they're just like little classic pink Santas. I have a bunch of these little mini reindeer, a couple of these vintage cars with Christmas trees. Obviously, I love anything pink and sparkly. This reindeer is so cute. I have so many of these. Ballerinas are a common occurrence on this tree. These ones are just so sweet and beautiful. I have some sparkly pink animals. This one's a little under the sea fish, and this one's a flamingo. Some more clips and bows. I don't know if I already showed these, but these snowflakes are super cute. I bought so many of these little jingle bell bows. They're just so perfect. I'm so excited to put these on my tree. A little nutcracker. My friend Brooklyn gave me all these little diamond ornaments, which is so funny because she actually got engaged this year, so these remind me of her. Look how cute this little purse is. I love a gummy bear. This isn't quite the color scheme that I want. If this was like pastel, it'd be perfect, but obviously I had to get it because gummy bears are like my favorite. I got some little pink Christmas lights. Oh, speaking of Brooklyn, this little ornament she got me. Oh my god, these are like my absolute favorite. Look, I have a little ice cream cone and a donut. These ones are probably around the same store. I probably got these from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Some more lollipops. These ones are hearts with like little snowball things in them. This is just a little pink champagne bottle. It says celebrate 2022, which is perfect because, wait, is that the year I moved out? Yeah, I think that's the year I moved out last year. No. Yeah, the beginning of last year. So that is just a little remembrance of the first year I moved out and had my own apartment. I got these amazing pink disco balls. These are from the World Market, Cost Plus, and they're just so perfect. I love just decorative classic ornaments like that. Look how cute this macaroon is. Oh my god, it's just so perfect. Since I love my Starbucks, I got this in like 5th grade and I still have it on my tree. These little Santa guys are so cute. This one's like a little gingerbread cookie Santa. It's so cute. This one's a little KitchenAid mixer. I think that is so special. This is a little carousel horse. I thought that was so cute. I also got this. I forgot to show it in my other collection of just decor stuff, but this is just a little teacup with a pink Christmas tree. I thought that was so sweet. I recently went to Target and got a lot more ornaments, so I just couldn't help myself. This one's a little Saturn, and it's pink and felt, and then this one is little ballet slippers. I got this coffee one. How cute is that? These little sport pink ones. I got a camera because I love filming. A little sparkly lobster. This precious little Tweety bird, a little Barbie car, and then this little car, which is so cute too. So yeah, that was my pink Christmas collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and kind of got some inspo for your pink Christmas decor. I've had so much fun just making this video for you guys, and if you have any other places that you recommend I get some pink Christmas stuff, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you have any questions about specific items, just leave it in the comments below and I'll try my best to give you guys a little link to the store where I got them from. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!